and welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Exxon Credit Card account. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the search box at the top, type in Exxon Credit Card Login and press enter on your keyboard. Go to the first link that says Exxon Mobile Credit Card Login or Apply, and this will take you to a new tab. Now, doing so will take you to the login area. Go ahead and type in your user ID in the text box appearing at the top left, and once you do that, head over to the next field where it says password. Type in your password correct for your account. In case you want the user ID to be remembered from your computer, then click on this Remember My User ID box, but leave it unchecked if you are using a public or a shared device. In case you don't remember your user ID, you can click on Retrieve User ID link at the bottom. Similarly, if you happen to forget your password, you can reset your password to a new one by clicking on Reset Password link. If you've not registered your credit card yet for Exxon, go ahead and click on Register Your Card button at the bottom and follow the registration process. Once you enter your user ID and your password correct, click the Sign On button and you'll be able to get logged into your Exxon credit card account quick and easy. That is how you can get access and manage your Exxon credit card. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.